Hello and welcome back to the Microsoft Publisher application course. In today's video we'll continue with two topics: inserting date and time, which we could not do in the previous video, and we will also show you how to change page background. So let's pull up our publication practice. So here it's pretty simple. If you want to insert date and time, you go to the part of your document or publication. Let's just say here, and let's move down by pressing enter, and you can go to insert, and here you will see date and time, and click the date and time, and you will have a dialog box open. You can choose the format you want. So let's say you want to have this particular format. This is only the date, no time, so let's choose this one with the time. And then you can also say update automatically, which means each time you open the document in the future, the date automatically updates, and the time also. And we will leave it out for now, and we can say OK, and there you go. So this is where you can put it. You can also do the same in your header and footer, following the procedure for or steps for adding a header and footer as well. So that's about inserting dates. The next item is how to change your page background. So if you want to give some colorful designs to change the background of your page or pages in your publication, you can do that by going to, let's see, page design, and you go to page background. Let's go to page background, drop down arrow, and here you can take any of this background you want. Let's say you want this one. Let's try it, for example. There you go. But one thing you see is that this is only affecting the second page. So let's go back, page design, page background, and instead of doing one from here, you can go to more backgrounds. So if you go to more backgrounds, you can select, for example, you see the current background. You can say solid fill. I can fill it with any color I want, which is yellow, and I say OK. Or I go back, more backgrounds, gradient fill, and you can choose from how you want to use the gradient. And we can say, let's say with picture, you can insert a picture from your computer. So if you click insert, so let's say online picture, just to see how this looks like, let's go with the birds, and let's just go with this nice looking guy here, and let's say insert, and OK. It's waiting. I think it takes a bit of time. Just curious to see how this looks. Yeah, I can imagine this takes some time because you're pulling out pictures and you're going to use it as a background for your page from online, and might take a while. But there you go. So you see, so, and this is how it looks like. Well, let's change it. Go to page background, let's go to more background. You can fill it with a pattern. Let's say you want this pattern or that one, and you can say OK. So, and that's how you practically work with page background, and you can do that to all pages. But let's undo, and undo, and let's bring it back to normal. So one more time, page design, page background, and more background, and you can choose whatever you want from the list of things, and then click OK. So I will simply do one particular field. One thing we didn't do was to use a color. So let's say the background color, you put there, and you can say OK. No. And with this, we come to the end of this particular video. See you in the next video. Thank you.